don't know if you can see that one because for me it doesn't look like ocean, but it's connected to the water is connected to the sea. I'm just showing it to you guys. You see, this one is surrounded with trees. There you go. Why is there park? This car is parked here. You can throw your garbage here. But because it's been a long time that never really come to this place, so I've been lost to come in here. But you see, there's no people, but you know, there are some people also that are off from work. Also, it's a holiday of the children from school. So quiet. See. You like that mountain? This is the ring road. Welcome to Barnet Marine Park. There you go. Oh, there's a speeder. Bird sighting in this area. See. Welcome to Barnet Park. Enjoy the visit to this park and make it enjoyable for other parties there. Serving the valley. Closes at 10 o'clock p.m. That's the end of that one. Park there. That's the water. There's some people picnicking here. See? Yan. Look at the beautiful water. And this one, we call this one Barnet Park. It's beautiful. Because today is Tuesday, as I told you guys. I'm serious. I'm expecting for people that's very nice, very fresh air.